Alright, welcome to No Winning. I have an update for the channel for those of you who have been watching. For those of you that have not been watching, go back and watch the videos, get you up to speed to where we're at. So, all blue, back in the garage, was driving perfectly fine for the longest time. Then one day I was going home, regularly shifting from third to fourth, hit the clutch, and then there was no clutch. The pedal went down, didn't come back up. So we have the intercooler off right now, and it looks like the pin that holds, I guess, the fork in place popped out. So we'll probably work on this on another video because we had initially planned to do an install today, not an uninstall. So we're gonna move forward with the install, but I just wanted to get you caught up with what we're doing right now. We need to fix that pin for the clutch. For this car, that's the only thing that's happened recently. Now, what has happened on the other STI over here, you might be able to see here, is I had a flat tire on this side here. So I figured, let me just get it patched up. And of course not. You know, of course you go to discount tire, what do they tell you? It's in an unrepairable area. It always is. Like, a tire can be in a repairable area and it'll end up in an unrepairable area. I love discount tires, so I'm not bashing them. But I ended up getting 4 brand new Michelin tires all the way around. What is it, 4S? I think is what they are. Michelin Pilot 4S, something like that. Super Sport. Yeah. So, yeah, that was $1,000 down the drain, plus the like $150 alignment, plus the fail on the what is the rear passenger camber or something. I don't know. Not really worried about it right now. Let's just get a car functioning now. I don't have a flat tire over here. I can actually drive this one because I had a flat tire here. I had a broken clutch over here, so I had no STI to drive to work every day. So we're just gonna put an intake on. If we have enough time today, maybe we'll throw in the fork fix, whatever. But let me just get the boxes and then we'll unbox it as usual, and then you know, get it installed and stuff. So yeah, back to the table. As you can tell, this box has gone through its better days. But I've actually had this for, how long have I had this for? Like a year, right? Maybe a little over a year. We just never installed it because honestly, I don't even know why I'm putting it on, aside from the cool noises it makes whenever you're on throttle and off throttle. So I'm finally gonna put it on. It's kind of just to put it on, I think it'll make the engine bay look cool. But this is the Cobb. We got the, what is it called? SF intake box.
What is SF?
Zero clue. I don't know what it stands for. I really don't. Okay, well, here's the box. Hopefully it survived the beating of the box here. Sure, it's fine.
Beat box.
Beat box. There's the plate that goes on the top. Sits on top of there. I think this is like the rubber for the
oh, the edges.
The edges, the sharp edges. Yada yada yada. If anybody wants one of these, let me know. I will ship it to you because I have a boatload of them. Tired of them already. Actually, no, if you want one of these, for free. All you gotta do is subscribe. Subscribe. What do the other channels do? Subscribe, share, like, comment. Instagram, No Winning. Message me on there, then you will get one of these, or like 20 of them, or like 30 of them. I don't know. Okay, so here's all the, you know, yeah, that stuff. Veronica.
Thank you. Oh no, it's Monica.
Monica. I don't know what this bracket is for. I've never put one on this car, so I don't know what it looks like. And I have no idea what these hoses are for. No clue. I'm gonna have to look it up. Zero clue. Do you know
What does that one say?
This is Cobb.
Nice.
I don't know what they're for, so there's one box down. Okay, let's see where my box cutter went. Alright. So boom, cone, tube. Guess what I got? Another set of stickers. If you want stickers, you let me know. I will give you stickers. Okay, who's this one? This one doesn't even say who did it. Okay, little bolt. I don't know what those are for. I guess this is the L bracket to hold it in place or something like that, I guess.
I don't know.
I'll figure it out. Cleaning instructions. Go watch our cleaning intake video for that one over there. What is that thing over there? The speed demon over there somewhere? What is it?
Crusty.
That one? Okay.
Let me Mr. Christie?
Sure. California.
Oh, nice.
Messing up.
Move to Texas.
Move to Texas. If you want to deal with this beautiful heat. So what we'll also have going to be done on this is we've done it on another intake on this STI over here, but we're going to put a lot of gold. We're going to gold tape the whole entire box. I was going to show it on video, but you can just go back and watch the other video because I think it was like 20 minutes long. So it's just putting a sticker on. That's it. Heat protected. Done. So let me get the gold on here. I'll show you what it looks like before and after. And then snap to make them go. Okay, ready? So not the best work I've done, but I figured out what happened here. It's like the folding of the packaging. It was folded and cross-folded and cross-folded. So this is the plate that goes on top of the intake box. Here is the rest of the intake box. This is where the intake goes through. I need to cut a hole right here. The plate goes on top. This faces something like that. Yes, don't mind my raunchy little gold tape there. But this will help with some intake temperatures, hopefully, or drop the intake temperatures because it gets really, really hot in the engine bay. So this will help reflect that back. So now that I already got this, I kind of figured out what I needed to do. I know it's just an intake, it can't be that hard, right? But these are for the coolant lines that go from the coolant overflow tank, the large holes and small holes, so they can be, I guess, a little more flexible, and they won't be routed in a certain direction. And this here is for the trim. So we're gonna shape it, cut it, paste it, and then I'll tell you what tools we're gonna need to take off the old intake system. I mean, it should really take maybe 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. There's not really much to take off this intake. I'm glad I didn't say intake manifold, I almost said that. It almost feels a little too easy compared to what we've done here on this YouTube channel. But I know these bolts don't go here. I don't wanna hear it. They're 10mm for me. I don't know what they are for you, but they're 10 for me, okay? I have an 8mm here for the hoses, and then just a regular Phillips screwdriver to take off this, what is it, map sensor. There's some clips here, and then that's it. So now, we're just gonna leave it like this. We're gonna put the cone right here, and boom, one and done. I get this box in here first. Maybe I'll clean it up a little bit, and then figure out how the bracketing system goes, and that's it. Should be pretty easy. Well, wait, let me figure this out. Get the box in, you'll watch me struggle a little bit, and then go from there. Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. What is this, 12mm? 12mm, I think it's the bolt that holds the power steering in place. So now, I'm just gonna wing it here, and then figure out the other bolts. So, my OEM one, no clue where it was. So, I found one, and it's 12mm also, round 3. So I got this shield bracketing thing in place. There was like a 10mm bolt right here, right? And then there was a 12mm bolt. I don't know if you can see it, but it is like in between there.
Oh, down there?
Somewhere there.
I see it.
Yeah, right? Nope, nope. Somewhere in there. Okay, 12mm bolt, it's already in place. I didn't put it too tight. I didn't have a bolt for the old intake system, so I found this. I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's probably another 12mm bolt. That's max, in case you didn't know that.
Cool.
Alright, so we got the old intake system here. I just used the regular screwdriver. Phillips here. Take off these 2 screws. We're just going to transport this one here into this one here. And that is about it. There's like a little O-ring there. I probably wouldn't touch it. I don't know. Just gonna take it off and directly put it on. Not gonna take any chances. I think the sensor is what, like $100 or something if you break it?
Probably way more.
Yeah.
Very sensitive.
Very sensitive. Very, very sensitive. I'm not gonna waste my last $100 on it. By the way, the tires, I got a discount tire with like $1,000.
Woo!
Plus the $120 alignment. Plus, that was just this week.
Nice. That's not even the car that you're working on right now.
Yeah, I know. That was the car that I was trying to get off the street so I can start modding it even more.
What?
Okay, so this is good to go. I finally figured out what these hoses were for. They're coolant lines. I think I mentioned it before. So now I need to figure out how this goes, I think if I'm not mistaken, it goes something like this, and then this one bolt down here gets mounted to the bracket that we had down there. With this one here, this one single screw apparently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So let's come back over here and put this one on, and then we can start getting situated. And then it goes a little something like this. Sure, it's hot.
The Cobb sticker though. Did they come like that?
Yeah, so something like that. So that's just for now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You know what? Where's the hose? So, when you're so used to losing, you have a backup plan. Well, Subaru, aka I think it was IAG, sent me everything for this intake but the damn MAF hose. But because I've lost before, I found myself a Perrin one. So we have a quick fix for this since we want to keep it all Cobb. Now this is a Cobb MAF hose. So thank God we had this. Not like the car's gonna be running today, but hey, that's how you know we lose here. This is a perfect example of straight up loss, where they did not come with a MAF hose. But I won because I had an extra one, so I'm winning. Not you, me. Yeah, that's the sign of still loss. 100% loss. I thought I won for a little bit, but then I lost again. So I didn't get the MAF hose from Cobb, IAG, whoever sent it. It's too late. It's been a year. I'm not gonna argue. So I was like, oh, I'm winning. I have an extra MAF hose. Guess what? It doesn't fit. 2 losses. So here is me trying to finish this to the best of my abilities. I'm just gonna put the cone on. I already plugged everything in. I ran the sensor underneath the box, and then I'm gonna try to. I already mounted this bracket here, and now I'm just gonna put the cone on. Hopefully, no more problems. And then we just finish a simple intake system that's not been so simple so far. So yeah, let's see if we can get a win under our belt today. Some sort of win, please, because we are at a complete loss today.
Oh yeah, and tell them about buffaloes.
What happened to buffaloes?
They didn't have the right sauce.
They didn't have the sauce that I always order. It's just a loss today. It's a loss. A loss. So, hopefully, I have a feeling this is still not gonna fit. Nope. I can already tell. Here.
What?
Yep. Yep.
Why not? Oh, you should have put on first.
Alright, so we're back several days later, maybe like a week later. So we're installing this intake system, and guess what? We didn't get the MAF hose. I couldn't get it replaced, so I had to buy one because I ordered this like, I don't know, like a year ago. So we're gonna do an unboxing of the item we know we already have. So, or we already know we needed. So hopefully we don't have any more losses after this today. Because I want to kind of get this over with and.
Is it fit in there?
That's what we got.
Yeah, those are bigger.
Sure. Okay. So
That's it.
this was 75 doll hairs from Cobb.
Wow.
And all I needed to do was be right here, like this. Done. That's it. So now I have to go hunt down whatever radiator hose, no, whatever hose clamps, I don't know where I put, and then finally bolt everything down, and then we're finally done. Finally done. This is like supposed to be the easiest install. It became like my worst nightmare. So let me get the hoses, I'll get this situated, and then I'll start bolting everything down, and then we'll wrap it up for today. Even though it was a different day for me, same day for you. If you're still, if you've made it this far, hopefully you've made it this far. While you're at it, pause this video, like the button, subscribe it if you haven't already. So I wanted to get the struggle on camera. This has literally been like the worst intake install of my life. There. That's it. Boom. Alright. So now, mount the rest of this bracketing stuff. So there's a plug here. I'm probably gonna plug it in later. There's a bolt down here that we can tighten up. Now that we have this on, we can tighten our hoses. Nice. With a, what is this, 8mm? I hope so. Alright, so after some time struggling getting this manifold on, it feels like it's probably on right. Probably. It's not going anywhere. I already tightened the bolt down here. It was a 12mm. I tightened the bolt that's on the bracket on the bottom of the air filter. That's a 10mm. I'm just gonna double check it for if it's being tight or not, and then yep, good to go. Then we're gonna make sure we plug in. What I ended up doing is, if you come see over here, I kind of use a different angle bolt over here, so I can angle this MAF airflow sensor here, so I can just easily plug it in, and then easily unplug it when I need to, instead of it being like up here and it being like I guess being stressed out over here on the what is it, elbow here, whatever. So now I'm just gonna tighten this, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna put this gold plate here, bolted with the provided bolts on each one of these holes, which I have to make them over here, and then we'll use the new hoses that Cobb provided, cut them up, set them up here, and that should be it. The car is parked in this direction because we had to tow it up my garage because the clutch gave out. Well, not really the clutch, the little pin gave out, so that's the next fix. So make sure you stay tuned for that, because it's the first time we've ever done it, and expect a lot of struggle. So I'm assuming I'm right here. I'll put something like this underneath. Good job, Cobb. Good job. We're just here wrapping up the final 2 bolts. Everything looks done. And yeah, that's it for this video. We put on the MAF hose gold here, gold here, gold here, gold there, gold everywhere. Gold on the wheels, gold. There's gonna be gold everywhere eventually on this thing. Some gold on my beard. Yeah, if you made it here already, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. As you can tell, we've struggled a little bit with this. It was supposed to be a simple freaking intake install, and it turned into some sort of nightmare. It still got done. Probably see in the next video the car running again for the first time, hopefully. If not, there's a pile of boxes somewhere over there. Yeah, those are all brand new car parts. We just got in on top of all the other parts that we still haven't finished over here, plus the new parts we started hiding over here. Yeah, it's a mess. But more to come. Hopefully you like it. And again, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. If you like it, it helps us out. And let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.